All right, everyone. So we have another package that arrived. Basically, ordered extra gears for my K9 series, just to be sure we have spare parts for any, just in case for we have any kind of breakups, breakage, whatever. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so these are the extra gears. I'm not too sure if it's the same with the stock gearing though. It might not be, but it's okay. And then there's another one that came in today as well. This is the gear that connects with the motor shaft or the axle gear or something, or like the one that you connect in the shaft, middle shaft, I mean. Alright, so we have one set, but basically since I'm using the 102 mm setup, I'll just be needing this one. Alright, so that is it for today. Just a short unboxing video.